One thing I see marketers struggle with is email marketing open rates. They feel like they could always be higher, or maybe they're just too low. And then on the other hand, when we talk about list hygiene, most marketers never want to clean their list. They have poor list hygiene. Do you see a correlation there? If marketers do not want to clean their list and they don't actually do it, their open rates are going to suffer. Number one, because of that ratio of people that have not opened in a long time, 6 months, a year, they're always going to be a non-opener. Therefore, it's artificially stagnating your metrics and keeping your open rate low. If you can remove those non-openers, your open rate's going to shoot up right away, right? Secondly, a lot of these mailbox providers, Gmail, Yahoo, and some private domains, they're actually grading you on how many people are engaging with your email versus not engaging, which includes not opening. I hope in 2019 that marketers see the light, take list hygiene seriously, get on the ball, and increase those open rates. It's easy, but yet marketers don't see how the two overlap. Once you have a good list hygiene regimen, you'll have better data and cleaner data to look at.